In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Facebook page name. Be sure that you watch to the very end to avoid any mistake. I decided to record this video because Facebook keeps on updating the app, and it is very difficult sometimes to find the location of the settings. So hit the like button and the subscribe button because I did this very good work for you guys. Thank you guys. Now the first thing you need to do is to open Facebook app. Then you will click on your profile icon on the top right corner. Then at the top there, those icons, you will be able to see your pages, or you can just click see more, and then you can see this pages icon. You can click on it. Then I will see my pages right there. So I will click the first one. Then you will need to switch to your page. Just click switch. Then once you are on your page, just click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Then once you are here, just click on that setting icon at the top. Then you will need to scroll down and then click on page setup. Now you will see name of your page. Just click on view on your right hand side. Then here is where you can change your Facebook page name. So I will just change the name. Whenever you change your Facebook page name, in order to change again, it will take 60 days. So keep that in mind whenever you are changing your page name. So after you've key in your page name, you just click review. And then you can enter your password. Now I'm going to do that. Then click save changes. If you go back, you will see that your page name has been changed. If you view, you see the page name has been changed. So that's it guys. That's how you can easily change Facebook page name. So if you find this video useful, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also to like the video. Thank you guys.